As castle experiences go, Cardiff Castle has variety and character in spades. A short tour round the site reveals a Roman fort, Norman keep, as well as the castle lodgings, known for its Gothic-inspired towers and architecture. The lodgings' interiors provide a fascinating insight into the eccentric character of the castle's previous owner, the 3rd Marquis of Bute. Join a guided tour and experience the lavish and opulent interiors designed by the architect William Burgess, with commentary provided by infectiously passionate guides who draw you into the history of the building and the people who lived there. Outside, children love the collection of stone-carved animals watching over the castle walls and the busy thoroughfare of Castle Street.